Look, no one wants to admit it, but sometimes, just sometimes, our feline overlords are not our biggest fans. Cats have a way of being subtle or not so subtle about their feelings, and if you're noticing these signs, well, you might be on thin ice with your fur baby. But don't worry, recognizing the signs is the first step to winning them over. 1. They avoid you like the plague. Cats may be independent, but if your kitty is actively avoiding you, running out of the room when you enter, refusing to be in the same space, or treating you like an uninvited guest, chances are they're not feeling the love. Whether it's because of something you did or just their general mood, your cat is making it clear. Not today, human. 2. The tail of doom. That fluffy tail isn't just for show, it's a major indicator of mood. If your cat's tail is thrashing or puffed up when you're around, they're on high alert and unhappy. A slow, annoyed flicking of the tail, that's cat language for I'm this close to losing it. Take the hint and give them some space before you get swatted. 3. They hiss or growl at you. Alright, this one's obvious. If your cat is hissing, growling, or doing that terrifying deep throat gurgle of doom, they're mad. And not just annoyed. They're feeling genuinely threatened. Maybe you're invading their personal space, or they just really don't want to be touched. Whatever the reason, back off before you become a human scratching post. 4. They give you the cold shoulder. Cats may not hold grudges the way humans do, or do they? But they do know how to give the silent treatment. If your cat is ignoring you, no purring, no meowing, no interest in hanging out, it might mean they're upset with you. Try bribing them with treats. It works on most cats and people. 5. Swat, bite, repeat. Love taps? Maybe. But if your cat is regularly swatting at your hand, biting when you pet them, or launching an unprovoked attack on your ankles, they're trying to tell you something. It could be playful aggression, but if it's happening all the time, it's probably a sign that they're not too fond of you, or at least your current behavior. 6. They refuse to sit near you. Cats are usually pretty good at showing affection in their own way. If your cat won't even sit near you, let alone on your lap, they're keeping their distance for a reason. Maybe they don't trust you yet, or maybe you're just not their favorite human. Ouch. Either way, patience is key. Let them come to you. Forcing it will only make things worse. 7. They use your stuff as a litter box. This is the ultimate sign of disrespect. If your cat suddenly starts peeing on your bed, clothes, or favorite chair, they're either super stressed, sick, or, let's be real, sending a clear message. First, rule out medical issues. If your vet says they're fine, then it's time for some serious reflection. What did you do to offend them? Maybe it's time to break out the treats and apologize profusely. So what now? If your cat is showing multiple signs of dislike, don't panic. Cats are complex creatures and relationships take time. Maybe you just need to respect their space a little more, adjust your approach, or figure out what exactly is annoying them. And remember, love, patience, and the occasional bribe can work wonders. Give it time, and soon enough you might just be back in their good graces. Or at least tolerated. And honestly, with cats, that's a win.